the honor to work with you as your aide. And in TV, you see him wearing barong, but after all the fiasco is over, he goes back and he changes into comfortable clothes, baggy shirts, jogging pants, chinelas, and he will enjoy a simple dish with us. He is the kind of person na pag nakikita mo kumakain, sobrang ganado. Kahit na yung ulam bulad, parang pati ikaw gaganahan kasi papaisip ka, parang sarap ng bulad, kakain na lang din ako. So seeing him like that, na simple pleasures in life, he enjoys very much. Wait, naiyak ako. Brizet! I will always remember all the lessons you've taught me.